officially that time of year. We are all out buying gifts for our loved ones, and it can be hard gift shopping. I don't know about y'all, but every year I get so stumped. I'm like, what do I buy? So today I'm bringing you an Amazon gift haul. I ordered some stuff, it came in, and I'm gonna show you what I got, how much it costs, and who I would gift these items to. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay. So all the items I have here behind me are from Amazon. You can find them super easy, get really, really quick shipping as well, which is a plus for me. I am not a huge fan of going out in public anymore. I used to love going shopping at the stores and stuff, but now I just don't have it in me. There's too many people. So if you can shop online like me, do it, because it saves you so much time. It's so nice and convenient. I'll link everything that I have here below in case you're interested in gifting any of these items to your family or friends. And I'm going to share like prices and everything with you. So we're going to get started. First thing I want to share with you is something I actually have on. It's this double necklace. I love this so much. Double necklace. Layered necklace is what I meant. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Who am I to even share this type of video? But seriously, this is gorgeous. I wear this necklace set all the time. It's amazing. It's the Muham brand. This is on sale right now for $10.49. $10.49 for this set. I get so many compliments on this paperclip necklace to the point where like I've even thought about starting to link it in all of my videos, because every time I wear it, I get asked, where did you get that? $10.49, you cannot beat it. I will say it does tarnish over time. I had another set just like this one. I ended up throwing it away and getting a new one. But I believe I had it for almost 2 years at this point. I think I got this set like about 2 years ago, and the problem with me is I do sweat, especially on my back and my neck, so maybe that's why it tarnished a little faster on me in particular. And there was a couple times I didn't take it off when I showered or got in the pool, and even in the ocean. I mean, I wore my necklace all the time. I am more careful with this new set. I do take it off, but just to fair warning, it's not like real gold or anything like that. Obviously it will tarnish over time, but I feel like the quality and the look for $10.49, you can't beat it. Especially if you rotate through your necklaces and things. I think you'll love this. And if you don't love it, I'm sure someone in your family will. So I'll link it below. All right, next up we have a candle warmer. And this is how it looks. I love this so much. I honestly want to get the amber one for myself as well. So I already have this candle warmer. It's in my kitchen. I love it. I love it so much. I even talked my neighbor into buying one. And she got the amber color. That's why I ended up getting this one instead of the clear. It's a little bit more money to get the amber glass, but I think it's totally worth it. This does come with a long cord. Hold on, let me put this box down. Comes with a really long cord, a timer, so you can set a 2, 4, or 8 hour timer, or you can just have it to where it stays on. You can adjust this up and down. So if you have a small candle, it's like way down here, and you want to adjust the lamp, you can. You just untwist this and slide it up and down. It's beautiful. It does come with 2 light bulbs as well, so you don't have to worry about buying those for a while. Great gift. And then to go along with this gift, you could totally gift a candle. Candles on Amazon are great price. And check this out. So this candle, I believe I got mine for, let me double check. This candle was $18.80. And I love the box, number one. I think that the box itself is just ready to be gift as is. All you'd have to do is just tape down the sides, throw a little bow on it. You don't even have to worry about wrapping it. Just gift it just like that. So when I initially saw the packaging, I was like, wow, this is great for a Christmas gift. And the candle itself comes with like a little thing. It's so beautiful. And so this is actually a soy candle, so these are a lot safer to have like in your home. It smells incredible. I love this candle so much. It's very, very beautiful. I love the gold top. And how beautiful is this with this? Boom. Christmas is done. This next gift is probably the coolest thing I've ever found on Amazon as a gift. My kids are gonna freaking love this. I cannot wait to give this to them. So this is a 3D nightlight. This is the box, and this is the product. Look, that box doesn't do this justice. This is amazing. It's also touch activated and has a remote. Oops, I'm touching the bottom. Oopsie. So you just set it like on your, I don't know, nightstand or desk. And right here on the bottom, there is actually like a little sensor so you can touch it. Where'd it go? And change the colors. It also comes with a remote. It is rechargeable, so there's no cords, which is really, really cool. And you can set timers on it too. So we can do a half hour, 1 hour. You can do like a fade mode where it changes colors. There's strobe, so many options. This is, y'all, come on. You can't tell me this isn't the coolest thing that I've ever shared here on my channel. Like, this is really cool. All right, next up I have the Pexar digital photo frame. This is an amazing high quality gift. You are gonna know without a doubt whoever you gift this to is going to love it. This is a great way to showcase your favorite photos and share them with your family and friends, even those who are long distance. I'm gonna tell you all about this Pexar digital frame today, and thank you so much, Pexar, for sponsoring today's video. Pexar has now made your gift shopping easier than ever, offering this 11-inch 2K touchscreen digital frame. This is an amazing gift for your loved ones. It's easy to set up and it's super easy to use. You simply plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and download the free app, and you can start sharing photos and videos with family and friends, and you can even react and send smiles from miles away. This Pexar digital frame also auto-rotates for portrait and landscape photos. It's picture perfect from every angle with its anti-glare design and 2K touchscreen. You are going to get to see every detail super clear. If you are stumped on what to buy your loved one this holiday season, you can use my link down below and grab this Pexar digital frame. It is honestly more than just a gift. This brings your family together and allows you to share your favorite memories and showcase them in such a beautiful way. You can now stop hunting for that perfect gift and grab this Pexar digital frame. Just use my links down below in the description box, and thank you, Pexar, for sponsoring today's video. Next up, I have this little belt bag. So this is actually for my daughter for Christmas. I think she's going to absolutely love this. I think that this is a great personalized gift that's super affordable. So you can get all different initials. This was $15.99 for this. And I just butchered the box on accident. I want to show you guys. How pretty is that? And like I said, you can personalize it. It has a little zipper here on this back side. It also has the full zipper going across here. And it has a little hair tie in it. How cute! I didn't even know that came with it. How adorable. It has little mesh pockets. So great little girl's gift. This is even perfect for like birthdays as well. But for $15.99, this will make a great Christmas gift. You could even fill this with little goodies, hair ties, lip gloss, candy, gum, whatever you want to put in there. Maybe even like a little gift card. Perfect gift. I got a laser tag set. So this is going to be for my son for Christmas. This is a great price as well. Laser tag sets are really expensive. This was $29, and the reviews were excellent. So that's what actually pointed me in this direction. I cannot wait to play with him with this. This is gonna be so much fun. I love laser tag. Actually, when we went to Georgia, my sister-in-law Bree, her and I went and played laser tag while the kids were at like this bounce park with the guys. And her and I went in there and we were running around like we were taking that so seriously. And it was just me and her against each other. It was so much fun. I love it. So we are definitely going to be playing, and I honestly think I should get one more set so that way we can all four play. But definitely a cool gift for a little boy. Okay, we're getting down to the last two things here, but this is actually a large tennis ball. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. When this came in the mail, I was like, what is that? Because it was wrapped up in this like tiny little bag. And I'm like, that is not my ball. I thought they scammed me. But it's a large tennis ball, and it actually comes with a needle, I guess, to pump it up. Yep, it's right there. So you have to pump it yourself, but it's for your dogs to play. And I hope that they can't get it, like actually bite it and break it. They go through so many tennis balls, and they love them, so they're gonna get a kick out of this when it's like a full big tennis ball. So I got them that for Christmas, and that was. So the tennis ball was $11.49, so it was on sale. And then you're gonna want this for your husband, okay, or your boyfriend. This is so nice. So these are on sale right now for Black Friday sale. $21 for this jacket. And I don't know what it is, but I love my man in some plaid. So I got him this jacket. It is so nice. The one downfall, which I feel like most men don't really button up their jackets, they usually leave them open. It is a buttoned jacket, so you have to actually button it. I like zippered things better, and I think my husband prefers that as well. But with the price and how nice and just, I love the colors, the look of this. I feel like he'll match us no matter what we wear. Like if I was to wear like this shirt with him, like we would look good together. I think it's so nice. Heck, I might even wear it. I'm just kidding. No, if y'all remember one of my vlogs recently, I bought like a shacket. It's like a plaid shacket. I didn't like it. Y'all were so sweet though. Thank you for all the compliments telling me that I look good in that. My daughter ended up keeping it, so we still have it. I might wear it at some point, who knows, but my daughter loved it, so I gave it to her. But yeah, once you get all the buttons undone, that is what the inside looks like. It does have the hoodie. This is the Wrangler brand. Get your man this for Christmas. If you're not getting it for him for Christmas, then tell him to get it for himself. It's so nice. Like, I feel like I truly feel like Dylan could throw this on with just a basic white tee and look more put together. Just because the plaid. Like, I don't know what it is about plaid, but it just makes guys look so good. I love it. So yeah, that is that. So that is everything that I got for Christmas so far. We still have a lot of gift shopping to do. But we're gonna get it done slowly but surely. I've been trying to just get little things here and there so it's not overwhelming. And something else that we really struggle with having a smaller home is having the space to store these things before Christmas. If y'all have been following since at least before Christmas last year, then you know the kids actually woke up Christmas morning and opened up all their gifts without us. It's funny now, I was super upset in the moment, but yeah, our kids literally opened up Christmas gifts and let us sleep in. Oh my God, I couldn't believe it. I truly can't believe it. And this year we are not missing out. So I don't even know if we're putting Christmas gifts out around the tree this year until Christmas morning, because I am going to make sure my kids never open their gifts without us seeing them open them again. That was heartbreaking. I wanted to cry. They were so sweet though. They were like, we were gonna let y'all sleep in. No, not on Christmas morning. Of all the times you're gonna choose the Christmas morning, the time that we worked so hard all year to get all these things, and then you're gonna open the gifts. Like, what were you thinking? I can't believe it. But I don't think they'll ever do it again. I honestly, after that, I don't think they'll do it again because they knew they messed up. Yeah, I'm so happy with all the stuff that I got. Everything is exactly what I want, except for the tennis ball. The tennis ball did confuse me a little bit because it was like not blown up. Like, what if someone doesn't have a pump? That's the only thing. Yeah, that was kind of odd to come in like wrapped like that. All right, that is going to be it for part 1 of my Amazon gift guide and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see part 2, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. And if you have any ideas as well, please feel free to leave those in the comments. And if you're interested in anything I shared today, I will have a full list of all the items along with the prices, and I'll have the Pexar digital frame linked down below so you can get it while it's on sale. I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope that you have an amazing Thanksgiving with your family. Eat lots of food, enjoy your time, take a break, and please be safe too. Be safe out there. I know a lot of people are going to be traveling and out on the road that shouldn't be, so please keep your eyes peeled to be extra careful. I hope all you guys have a great time though, and thanks again for being here. I'll see you in my next one. Bye y'all.